Well, this is a step-by-step process to attract the ideal publisher. Step-by-step process, attracting your ideal publisher is difficult, but there is a path and it can be done. As a book coach, I've walked many writers from idea to final manuscript, and one of the most important decisions that you'll make is how they want their book brought into the world. Whether your dream is a traditional publisher, a hybrid partnership, or full ownership through self-publishing, the process of attracting the right publishing path begins before your manuscript is even complete. It starts with clarity, intention, and positioning. Here's a straightforward, grounded process to help you draw in the publisher that aligns best with your goals and your book's unique value. Step 1, clarify your author goals and the book's purpose. Before you can attract the right publisher, you must define what success means to you. Is your goal influence, credibility, wide distribution, creative control, or financial return? Your publishing path will directly reflect these priorities. Traditional publishing may offer prestige, broader reach, and support, but limited control. Hybrid publishing offers professional services with shared costs and responsibilities. Self-publishing gives you full control, faster timelines, and higher royalty potential, but demands more from you at every stage. Step 2, define your ideal reader and market position. Publishers invest in books that meet a market need. Who are you writing to? What transformation will your reader experience? Be specific. A clear reader profile helps you build a proposal, back cover story, and title that resonates. Step 3, build a professional author platform. No matter the path, publishers want evidence of reach. This doesn't mean that you need 100,000 followers. It means showing that you know how to engage your audience through email, speaking, articles, podcast guesting, or niche communities. Build authentic visibility where your readers already are. Step 4, create a competitive and unique book proposal. If you're aiming for traditional or hybrid publishing, your proposal is your business plan. It should include your author bio and credibility, a clear synopsis and chapter outline, competitive analysis, how your book fits and stands out, marketing plan, and platform proposal. Step 5, research and create a curated, targeted publisher list. Don't mass query. Focus on publishers who align with your topic, values, and audience. For traditional publishing, this includes agents who specialize in your genre, publishing houses with recent similar titles. For hybrid and self-publishing, look for professional standards, transparency in the pricing, and author testimonials. Step 6, publish your manuscript and pitch materials. Even the best ideas fall flat if sloppily presented. Revise, edit, and proofread your manuscript. Tailor each query or proposal to the recipient. Avoid sounding desperate. Lead with clarity, conviction, and professionalism. Step 7, engage with the industry. Attend virtual or in-person writing conferences, pitch events, and webinars. Follow publishers, agents, and industry experts on social platforms. Comment thoughtfully. Connection matters, and sometimes it opens doors faster than a query email. Step 8, decide with integrity. When it comes an offer, make sure it's either from a Big 5 publisher, a boutique hybrid, or exploring KDP or Ingram Spark. And when you have these decisions, make them rooted in your initial goals. Read contracts carefully, ask questions, trust your instincts. Final thoughts. You don't attract the right publisher by waiting. You do it by showing up as a serious author, prepared, clear, and focused. Whether you go traditional, hybrid, or indie, your journey is valid. What matters most is that your publishing path supports your vision, not the other way around. Let's move your idea towards the path that's right for you. I'm Mick, the Doctor of Digital, and I can help with all these and other issues. If you have questions or things that you're interested in, reach out. I can help. Until next time, This is the Doctor of Digital signing off. Deus Volt.